Greetings and welcome back to 50 Shades of Beige. If you're watching this, that means I've hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much, each and every one of you, for liking, commenting, and watching my videos over the past couple of months. The channel has doubled in size and views since last January, so that's been fantastic. Today, we're going to have a quick special here on the WeatherX TV lantern radio. I don't know how many of you remember these from the 2000s. This is a particular type of thing that you would find maybe at a TJ Maxx or something like that, and the idea is that you would take this camping with you. Let's have a look at some of the features. First and foremost, we have NOAA instant weather radio, like I said, 5-inch black and white television, AM/FM radio, detachable LED flashlight, adjustable rotating fluorescent lanterns, 3-way power. This is an interesting feature. It's got 120 volt AC, 12 volt DC, and it also takes batteries. Also comes with a compass, thermometer, and of course a telescopic antenna. Now, I remember seeing these in the store as a kid, and I always kind of wanted one, to be honest. I thought they looked really cool. I thought it would be fun to go camping and play like Sega Genesis or something like that. Now, today's video is just going to be like a walkthrough. This is a new in-box unit, despite how rough the box itself looks. But we're going to go ahead and take a look through it, and then if you all want to see if we can find a way to get this to work with maybe a Super Nintendo or something like that, be sure to leave it down in the comments so that I can gauge the interest on that. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Now, you can find these relatively cheap on eBay. I think I paid about 20 bucks for this. And once again, this is a new in-box example. We'll go ahead and open this paper up here. So we've got a manual, and I don't know whether I trust this car adapter here. That's pretty, I don't know. It's dubious. Let's just put it that way. It's very dubious quality on the power adapter there. That looks like this was made by Yorks or GPX. Not familiar with those brands, but I'll do some research on them. They're a company out of St. Louis, Missouri. And it looks like they give you a 90-day warranty. That's about it. Oh, look, we've got a little GPX catalog. Let's take a closer look at that here. We've got some clip-on headphones, input selector switch, polo shirts. I guess that's it. Nothing outstanding in the manual, just showing you like basic setup here. This is all pretty self-explanatory. Oh, I bet you this doesn't have an RF input, does it? Shoot. Oh, it does have AV jacks. Yes, we might be in business. Come on out of there. Oh boy. Oh no, I'm breaking the box. By the way, I'm doing this all 50 Shades of Beige style, so this is completely unscripted. We're just gonna go ahead and unbox this thing and see if it works. Try to play some video games on. Ooh, man, that boy stinks. Let's see, for those of you playing along at home, we've got 120 volts, 32 watts, so 12 volts at 1200 milliamps from Yonghong Electronic Company. The epitome of electronics manufacturing, I'm sure. Okay, and here is the main event. I'm not quite sure. Okay, this is just gonna slide right out here, it looks like. Sorry, I'm trying my best to keep this all on camera, but this is a larger item than I'm usually working with, and I do not have much space on this set. We have a plastic bag with some warnings on it. Let's rip that off. And here we have it. Wow. Well, it's definitely brand new. Unfortunately, the rubber has gone a bit sticky due to age. That's kind of to be expected. The think pads of this era also have a similar problem where the rubber coating just kind of gets sticky. See how that looks wet? That's just from me touching it with my gloves, so that's unfortunate. If anybody knows a good solution for that, please let me know in the comments. All right, we've got some switches here. Looks like we've got weather on, off, flashlight, lamp 1, lamp 2, WB tune, I'm not sure what that is, weather maybe, TV and radio tuning. Boy, these knobs don't feel great. We might need to get some PB blaster or something in there. Well, if we go to look at the other side, I got another speaker, and yes, fan-freaking-tastic. We've got RCA jacks, so we're definitely going to plug something into this and check it out. Looks like it's got recharge, torch, TV torch. I'm not sure what recharge is for. They do have vertical hold, brightness, and contrast knobs on the side here, so we can tune the CRT a little bit. And adjust your standard RCA jacks, DC in, and of course the antenna in there. And then this is kind of a cool feature. It's got these, I guess this is what they consider a lantern. It's got these lights that you can kind of pull up. Well, I will say one thing. Stuff that came from the early 2000s was not built, as well as the stuff that came from the 80s. I'll tell you what. This thing just feels like it's ready to fall apart. And we got WeatherX model number TVWB534. I don't think that any of these ever came in anything other than a black and white CRT. There might be a color one floating around there somewhere. The most popular variety of these were actually from Coleman, or branded Coleman, but I'm pretty sure they all basically came from the same manufacturer. All right, now I've got power ready to go here. We're gonna go ahead and go with the original power adapter. I don't think that there's anything wrong with it. And this stuff isn't quite old enough to have to be worrying about it too much anyway. And there she goes. Looks like only one of the lights is lighting up. I think this has some kind of a battery, NiCad battery pack in it. It might have something to do with that. Oh yeah, it smells glorious. That's the smell of cancer right there, boys. Sorry about the weird exposure, but that's just to do with the way the lights are. Yeah, I think this one is toast. Let's see. Torch. Ooh, that scared the bejesus out of me. Woo! Alright, so there's a siren. Oh my god, I about had a heart attack when I hit that button. Okay, I was just looking along the front here to see. Ooh, there we go. We got radio. I'm trying to get you guys a good view here. Yeah, the TV is not wanting to come on. Alright, okay, so you toggle the lamps on this side here. There is a lamp up top like I showed you earlier. And then you can kind of go on this side, different things there. If you want one or the other or both, you can do that. Whoop! Well, that's not a good design. What the heck happened there? Oh, brother. This poor thing is just falling apart on me, guys. She's cooked. Alright, let's see what we're gonna do here. We need to come up with a plan. I don't know what release is for. What is release? Oh, that's the light bulb. Oh! Ha! That's cool. I guess RTFM, right? This is for the flashlight to come out. And unfortunately, y'all, it looks like our CRT tube is dead. Or it's not coming on for some reason. And that kind of scares me a little bit, if I'm being honest. I don't want to cook something in here. So, oh yeah, we're turning this puppy off. Ooh, no. All right. Well, it's slightly disappointing, but I think we're gonna wrap this one up for right now. I think we're gonna need to do some repairs here, and I am just not equipped for that at the moment. I was kind of hoping, since the lantern here was new in box, that it would just kind of work, but I guess that was wishful thinking. All right, well, once again, thanks so much for getting me to 1,000 subs. Onward to 2,000 we go. And I've still got the Aquanauts PC and a few other projects in the works. I just wanted to show this to you all and say thanks. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.